To replace the bearings in your Minnich flex shaft vibrator head, first, place the vibrator head in the vise and tighten down directly on the weld. Use a pipe wrench to remove the casing adapter. Remember, the casing adapter is reverse thread. Now drain the transmission fluid. Next, use a bump tool to knock out the weight and bearings from the housing. Place the weight into the vise. Remove the hex nut and core adapter. A square drive will be needed to remove the core adapter. Use a bearing tool and a plastic mallet to remove the bearings from both ends. Put new bearings on both ends and secure them with the hex nut and the core adapter. Be sure to use blue Loctite 242 on both threaded ends. The casing adapter has two seals that will need replaced as well. Use a large flathead screwdriver and the mallet to knock the seals out of the casing adapter. When replacing the seals, be sure they are facing back to back. Then, set the seals in place inside the casing adapter. To ensure the seals are not damaged, Minnich uses a specially designed tool. Next, add transmission fluid to the vibrator housing. See the charts in your Stinger and backpack manuals for the amounts needed for each head size. Insert the weight with bearings and core adapter into the housing and set it. Now add a bead of hard setting gasket sealant all the way around the threads of the casing adapter. Remembering that the threads are reverse threads on the casing adapter, start to replace the adapter with your fingers as much as possible. Then place the housing in a vise and secure the casing adapter with the pipe wrench. Remove all the excess gasket sealant.